Today, we are making this super delicious Brazilian coconut shrimp. Creamy and packed with tropical flavors. Let's get started. First, peel and devein the shrimp, then rinse them well and pat them dry with paper towels. Next, cut the bell peppers into thin strips. Peel the onion and slice it. Next, dice the tomatoes into small pieces. Peel and finely mince the garlic. Juice 1 lime and set the juice aside. Now, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onion and bell peppers. Then saute for 4 to 5 minutes until they're softened and fragrant. Next, add the diced tomatoes and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Now add the tomato paste, paprika, cumin, salt and seasoning powder. Stir everything together until the vegetables are evenly coated and the spices are well combined. Pour in the coconut milk, then stir gently until the sauce well combined. Now add the black pepper. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and cook for about 5 minutes, or until it has thickened slightly. Add the shrimp to the pan. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, or until the shrimp turn pink and are fully cooked through. Now add the minced garlic and stir it into the sauce. Add the lime juice and sugar, then stir well to combine. Once the shrimp are fully cooked, remove the pan from the heat. Transfer the shrimp to a serving dish. Creamy, rich and slightly sweet from the coconut milk, balanced with tangy lime and savory spices, the shrimp are juicy and tender, soaking up all the aromatic sauce, while the garlic, cumin and paprika add warmth and depth, finished with fresh coriander. Every bite is fragrant, tropical, and full of flavor.